Green Ninja Industries, get us out of the box and get me out of this package right away. Out of my... get me out of the package. Green Ninjas should learn to mind their own business. Why, you got something to hide, Red Eyes? Maybe your ears don't work so well. Yeah, too bad my nose works just fine. Why, you impudent little... I'm just kidding. Thank you for getting me out of this package. Sure thing, Infinite. Now get us out of the box. Okay. Jet the Hawk! Storm! Get me out of this package! Storm! Jet, good to see you again. Yeah, me too. Thanks for getting me out, CEO of Green Ninja Industries. And that includes me. You're absolute welcome, Storm. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell to stay healthy. Later.